Hi everyone, David here from StretchSense. Today we're going to be showing you how to set up the Vive trackers and our motion capture gloves in MotionBuilder and get all the data streaming correctly. We put Velcro on the back of our Vive trackers so we can stick them directly onto our gloves. Then make sure your room is all set up in Steam VR. To stream the Vive trackers into Mobu, we use Breckle's Open VR Recorder. Once that's done, go ahead and launch Hand Engine and do your hand calibrations. Watch a comprehensive tutorial we've made on this in the description below. Launch MotionBuilder. Import your hand asset, then navigate to Devices and drag in one Breckle device and two Hand Engine devices. Switch them all to Online and Live and select the model binding. For one of the Hand Engine hands, increment the port number to 9001. Then in Breckle, create a model binding. All that's left to do is to parent the hands to the correct Breckle devices. Make sure to zero out the translation and rotations on each hand. And you're good to go for recording.